Since 2007, AMT has been in the forefront of automotive industry.
Now the future of automotive technology arrives to you with just a click.
You ask, we store in top condition just for your ease.
Anywhere in the world, with one click, we will be there, ready.
Turning your digital purchase into a physical dream with one click to you.
Mistakes or not, I believe in equality. We pick them up and we turn them into dreams.
Every transaction is recorded and supported by top warranties because you matter a lot.
Anytime, anywhere, visit us. Experience service like never before.
Every detail is explained and displayed to put your heart at ease.
In the heart of Dubai, discover the latest tool the world has to offer.
Each tool packed and care, just for you.
طبعا متواجدين إمارات، أمريكا، باكستان، الهند، سريلانكا والسعودية قريبا في أنحاء العالم.
From our shop to your garage, delivered in perfect condition.
We back it all with our top garage equipment service team.
That's why the perfect shot is important.
Vous savez, les gens se demandent toujours comment AMT parvient à servir les différents clients aux quatre pays.
ലോകത്തിന്റെ ഏത് ഭാഗത്തായാലും നിങ്ങളുടെ സർവീസ് ലഭിച്ചിരിക്കും. അതാണ് AMT.
مكانك لغتك أو بلدك نحن نفهمك ونخدمك بطريقة.
सच तो सिर्फ ये है कि सिर्फ हम प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं सेल करते, एतबार कायम करते हैं.
Different languages, one mission, all to reach all the customer with AMT.
This is AMT, where your automotive journey begins. From the start to success with us.